everybody. It's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company here in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Tuesday, August 22nd, and I'm here with Colin from Riven Raven Workshop. He's going to be one of our handmade market vendors this fall. He's been with us one time or
Yes.
two times? One time before, and he has some great stuff to share with you, so I'm going to let him go ahead and show you what he's brought.
Yeah, hello everyone. Like Julianne said, I'm Colin O'Boyle from Riven Raven Workshop. I make all sorts of wooden wonders and delights, from toys and puzzles to signs, intarsia, which is like wooden mosaic, to resin art, decor. I think I've even made a wooden quilt square before. So if you're looking for that special gift ahead of the holidays, I do custom commissions. Hit me up. But yeah, almost anything you can think of, if it's made out of wood, I've probably made it or tried my hand at it. I look forward to seeing you.
And here you have to show them what this does. These are puzzles. They're so cool.
This is a puzzle, but each individual piece is also a toy. So I guess I'll set it down here.
See if we can pull one card.
So if you want to have your own separate little, miniature diorama of dinosaurs and other ancient reptiles, you can play with each individual piece. And so yeah, I have big ones like the dinosaurs. I have little ones like the bears. They stand up, so they work well. I have like a bunny one a lot of people do for like Easter that you can do on your Easter display or whatever. Big toys, little toys, clever signs. Yeah, like I said, if you can think of it, I probably tried it or made it.
And which ones are your giveaways for
Oh
us
yes, so
today?
our giveaways today are this sign, the Modern Blessing. May your inbox or your Wi-Fi be strong and your inbox be empty.
That's my adult boy's favorite.
Oh, I'm
saying,
glad that he
I'm
likes
sure.
it.
Yeah.
And then we have our little polar bear puzzle here.
I love that. It's so cute.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
And now let's talk about the fabric, and then we have lots and lots of giveaways, and Colin will probably be in next week's giveaway. So the fabric for today is Party Animals from Timeless Treasures. Speaking of dinosaurs. Yeah,
Perfect.
there we go. Colin was just talking about hanging out with his mom in fabric stores when he was a kid. So
I would have loved
this will
that.
be his favorite thing. Jurrasic Journey. Step into a dino habitat with a mighty T-Rex, pterodactyl, triceratops, and other creatures of the Jurassic world. This panel and leafy coordinates will be perfect for your favorite paleontologist in training. And this is by Eva Nikolskaya for QT Fabrics. And then underneath these we have some party animals. And these party animals are so cute. Wouldn't that be so fun to create a table runner or some placemats or napkins or even a birthday quilt that you could bring out just on the holidays? And then of course when we have dogs we have to have cats. So there's our birthday cats or party cats. I guess it doesn't have to be a birthday party. And then we have the confetti that goes with it. And then, like I said, we have giveaways. So hopefully if you've been watching and commenting, you will be looking or listening for your name or the name of one of your friends. So let's see. First up, we have Manda's Panda's Soy Wax Candles. And the scrub set's going to Donna Moldovan, and she's one of our local customers, and she'll probably be in soon. So congrats, Donna. And then this candle, I think it is called the Fallen Leaves candle. That was one of Manda's favorites. Goes to Sue DeGong or DeJong, I'm not sure. Next up, we had Binky and Belle. So Wendy Caridi, I can't read today, y'all, got a coloring book and some magnets and stickers. And Peggy, I should have you reading these today. Peggy Hakimian won the Dog Mom t-shirt and Dog Mom magnet and sticker. And Connie Wadby got the Dog Mom tote. And Donna Rader got the Feed Me, Take Me Out, Tell Me You Love Me tote, which is also great. And then from Cultured Design Company, she wanted to give away everything that she brought, so aren't we lucky? This is the Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow Candle for Nancy McNutt. This is the, I think there's Strawberry Bubble Bath Soy Wax Melts for Laurie Colwell. Dana Louise Reeves won the very popular Duck Farts candle. You got to smell this, it smells really good. And then we've got Birthday Week candle went to Lillian Adcock. And Helen Finaldi won the really excellently smelled beard balm. So congrats to all the winners. In order to get into the winnings, all you have to do is comment where you're seeing this video, either Facebook or YouTube or both. And if you don't live locally, we would ask that you just pay actual shipping charges to get your prize to you, or you can place an order with us and we'll pop it in the box with your order. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget that we're always open until 7 on Tuesdays, so we'd love to see you anytime between now and then. We'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow, if not today. Have a great evening. Bye.